Your car's glass is fundamentally important to the safety of your entire vehicle. It's important that your car has the right kind of glass in place to keep you and your passengers safe. Let's take a closer look at the types that are available for windscreens and car windows. Laminated windscreens are made up of two pieces of glass attached to one another using PVB plastic. This involves fusing the two layers of glass together by using extreme heat and high pressure. In the automotive industry, laminated glass is used for windscreens due to its durable and extremely strong nature. This type of glass offers excellent protection to the occupants of vehicles in the event of an accident. Should a crash occur, the glass may crack, but it's unlikely to smash. Instead, the glass will stretch and bend on impact, meaning no shattering glass will be able to cause injuries to people inside the vehicle. As well as cars, laminated glass can be found on shop windows and some houses. Most windows in cars other than the windscreen are made from tempered glass. Tempered glass, or safety glass as it is also known, is made by strengthening an existing sheet of glass. This is done by cooling it to make it more robust. Tempered glass is far stronger than standard glass and is typically used on all windows of a vehicle other than the main windscreen. This includes side windows and rear windscreens. When tempered glass does break, it does so in a harmless manner, shattering into tiny fragments that do not cut skin. This makes it extremely safe if an accident does occur, with the smashed windows providing people with a safe escape route should they need it. Tempered glass can also be found on telephone boxes, sunglasses, cooking dishes, and some mobile phones. At the Windscreen Company, we offer leading windscreen repairs and replacements on vehicles of every make and model. We'll tailor our services specifically to your needs, making sure your car has the perfect glass in place to keep you safe when behind the wheel. If your windscreen has suffered damage, it's important to get it fixed as soon as possible. Our team provides a 24-hour emergency service that has same-day availability. Plus, we can even deal with your insurance company and make sure any ADAS systems have been recalibrated. Operating across the West Midlands and South East, get in touch with the Windscreen Company today to find out more.